Well, here's a new addition to my family here. It's a bird feeder. And what I did was I built a simple bird feeder out of scrap wood. Well, there's Kitty. There's the mighty hunter. Anyways, so instead of me going out and getting uh, squirrels to shoot, I'm going to let them come to me. You know how squirrels get. So what I did was, you can see here, I have a screw here. I'm going to screw on a cob of corn. This way the squirrel can't take it. I also have one on this side. This way the squirrel can't take the whole cob of corn. And of course this way I can get them shoot them with the 22 from the doorway. Anyways, so that's, plus I can watch the birds. And they're already here. I just put this up yesterday, and the birds are already here. Here, I put this up a while ago. But here, I had this on the other side of the property. But here, you can see there's a hole there. A pair of squirrels were living in there. So I'm hoping maybe, squirrels or even a pair of woodpeckers would find that a nice home to live in over the winter months. Let me back up and show you this. See? And of course I can watch them from the comforts of the log cabin during the winter. Yeah. So there you have it, folks. And of course there's the almighty white hunter. I think she's probably going to get herself a bird. Get out of there. Hey. Kitty, come on. Let's go get something to eat. Go have some breakfast. Come on, Kitty. Kitty, come on. Kitty. Kitty, come on. She's hungry. You hungry? Alrighty. I'll get you something to eat. There's some sardines for you if you want them. Let's get yourself something to eat, and then I'll go on to bigger and better things. You all take care. Bye, folks.